In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Chat and start a chat with your contacts effectively and effortlessly. Whether you're already using Google Chat for work, personal communication, or you're new to it altogether, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease, ensuring you're ready to connect with your friends, family, or colleagues in no time. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Google Chat by typing http://chat.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. It's as simple as that. As the page loads, you'll notice Google Chat's clean and straightforward interface designed for ease of communication. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the sidebar, which holds your chats, rooms, and contacts. Focus your attention here because this is going to be your main navigation tool throughout Google Chat. Now take a closer look at the sidebar. Notice the small plus icon, typically labeled as the New Chat icon. This icon is your gateway to creating fresh conversations. It's conveniently located next to the chat section, making it easy to find even for newcomers. Go ahead and click this icon. When you do, a search bar or dialog box will appear. This is your tool for reaching out to contacts, a kind of digital directory at your fingertips. In the search bar that pops up, enter the names or email addresses of the people you wish to connect with. Be precise as you type, as this ensures that you find the right person, especially if you're dealing with people who have similar names. Google Chat will offer suggestions as you type, doing much of the work for you by showing possible matches in a drop-down list. Now, let's assume you found the right contacts and you're ready to proceed. Simply click on the correct names or emails to add them to your chat. As your list of selected contacts builds up, you may find it helpful to double-check that you've selected the correct individuals. Once you're satisfied with your selections, the final step is charmingly straightforward. Just click the Start Chat button. There you have it. Google Chat has now opened a new chat window, and you're ready to start typing your message. Remember, initiating a conversation in Google Chat is just the beginning of what you can do. As you get comfortable using this tool, you'll find it incredibly versatile, whether you're sharing files, holding video meetings, or organizing team collaborations. By following these simple steps, you've successfully opened Google Chat and begun a conversation with your contacts. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be navigating Google Chat like a pro. Whether for work or play, Google Chat stands ready to help you stay connected with the people who matter most.